Good morning. Say good morning.
Good morning, vlog.
Good morning, vlog. Good morning. Don't make my camera break. Hi. Same shirt as yesterday. If you know, you know. And different shorts. Oh my goodness. Look at my baby boys. They're throwing things. Throwing dirt. Who's a dirt thrower? Asher's a dirt thrower. Who's a dirt thrower? Kai's a dirt thrower. Oh no, did you get some in your eye?
No.
Uh-oh, it looks like you did. Okay. Oh, it's just a little red. Did some dirt fly in your eye a little bit?
Oh no. But then that white mist.
Yep. I don't know, this mist is gonna fly, fly, fly. Windiest day ever. Windy. Whee.
You guys get a little dirty. And I kind of get a little dirty.
Whoa. Windy day. Ah, you got me.
Look. I'm taking the dirt so it won't
Ah.
floppy.
Oh, piece of metal.
I'm jotting down
something.
the dirt
Oh,
with
oh.
water.
Did you see that?
It
It had like a disc.
Oh, yeah.
Nice. Oh boy.
I know I want to play it. Look out! Guy, it's gripping.
Okay, Kai, that's good. That's good. Give it to Asher.
Yay.
Oh my goodness. You're gonna get all wet. Oh my gosh, look at Asher now. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. Asher, stop. Stop. He's gonna get soaking. And then it won't dry and it'll be cold. Don't do it anymore. Turn off. Okay, I said no more. You're gonna get soaking.
wet. I'll
I
turn it
know.
off.
I don't want you to wet. Okay, get in your
I'm
seat.
too wet, actually.
Windiest day ever. Oh, look. Kai's all wet. Why are you wet, Kai? Why are you wet? He sprayed himself. Oh, wow, it's a big flag. Gotta go. We're going to the grocery store to get vegan sushi. Oh, look at Kai. It's drying.
pants are drying.
Oh, good. And then the boys and I just picked out some.
Don't forget.
No, we just picked out some seeds. I'm showing the camera, and we're gonna put them in this little thing. We got this many. You want to talk about them? Which ones we got? Bell pepper.
Mixed bell pepper.
Yep. And then what other one? Cantaloupe. Okay, we're gonna put them in here. Okay. Oh, careful.
But not mine.
Okay.
Pushy.
Whoosh. Hello. What are you eating? Asher has pasta and Mamba. And Kai has Tic Tacs, but he won't let me see them. And I have strawberries and a salad.
Help.
And Asher needs help, so say bye.
Opening this.
Oh, we need help opening it.
I'm eating
Oh.
the
Baby Asher's sleeping.
That was not a big
Kai! Kai! Shh!
Ellie,
You know where the trash is, Kai?
yeah.
Oh, there's no trash on that one. Can I eat one? Hey, these are mine. Hey, who's doing it?
Me. Can you get out and have them?
Oh, you caught me. This is the top of the grocery store. We should show the camera the view of the grocery store. This is where we go and have a picnic. When we get our groceries, we come up here and we have a picnic. You want to look over at the edge of the balcony and look at the view? There's Asher. Okay, let's get it. So windy. Oh my gosh. Ooh, that's pretty. That's real. Look, the power is out. Are they poison? No, but you can't eat them. Oh no, look. There's a little cat. The cat kind of looks like it's burnt. A burnt cat. And look at this little guy.
This cat?
That's a little ant.
This cat?
Yeah, that cat.
Can I hold it? It has a bling head.
Oh.
Look at these.
Aren't those pretty? Why? I like those. Ooh, pretty. Oh, I got one of these plants once before and put it in the Utah house. Oh, look, small baby rosebuds with little baby thorns, so don't touch it because it has small little thorns on it. Yep. I was gonna take the kids to the craft store, but all the stores are out of power. The PetSmart is out of power. That little thing is out of power. The boys made a pillow fort. It's so windy outside, we can't play outside.
Mom, guess what?
What?
My window is my dog.
Nice.
See, that's how I get out.
Oh, great.
And this is how I get in.
Oh, nice. Hmm. Good job. Looks cozy. Is it cozy?
Good night, vlog.
Good night, vlog.
Good night, vlog.
Smash it.